we're going to be replacing this belt to this garage door opener. And here we can see our belt is starting to wear. That's pretty bad right there, huh? After taking off our cap, we're going to unloosen the belt. Keep your hardware. Closing. So now we'll press the button one more time to make it close. That'll be the close position for the rail assembly. Okay, so we need to make sure that we keep these clips, we keep this hardware, our little master link. We don't want to lose these, so we'll be taking these off of the old one and be utilizing them for the new one. You simply pop this out and we'll get it on the new one now. Okay, so this is our LiftMaster genuine parts belt kit directly from LiftMaster. It is the exact part, the 41A3589-3. The 3 is for the 7-foot, the 1 is for the 8-footer, and the 2, I believe, is going to be for the 10-footer.
Hey party people, if you're getting any value out of this video, please hit that like button, and while you're here, I do hope you consider subscribing. So replacing a belt assembly is very similar to a gear sprocket replacement. And one thing that you want to keep in mind is your travel limits. So if your travel limits are set either at the open or closed setting, that's where you're going to place your trolley carriage to the belt assembly. One way that I try to do that is by simply tripping the safety sensors. So I'll hit the garage door opener motor, and as the motor starts to turn, I will trip the sensors. If it goes back up, I know that it's in my open position. If I hit it again, then I can have it set at my closed position, and that's my starting point. So if you take that pro tip, it might help you with this belt rail assembly replacement. Now, another pro tip that might help you replacing the belt assembly to the garage door opener motor is, well, you want to make sure what type of sprocket assembly you have. So here, I don't think you can see it that great in the camera. Okay, I might as well just take this out. Now, this is a brand new OEM part, and as you can see right there, we have a 12-tooth sprocket. If you bring a belt for a 12-tooth sprocket when in reality you have a 9-tooth sprocket, it's not going to work, and obviously vice versa. Check your model number, do some cross-referencing, take a picture of your sprocket, and make sure that you're able to determine, all right, do I have a 12-tooth or do I have a 9-tooth? And that should allow you to make a better buying decision when replacing your belt rail assembly. And one more pro tip for you, and this one is really important, determining whether you need a contractor or dealer version of your belt assembly, or if you need the retail version. If you notice here, this little master link on the dealer side, the dealer version right there, if you notice how that opening to that master link, this space right here goes into the trolley carriage, and the one on the retail version is much smaller. So the dealer version will be really easy because you're going to see that there's a master link that you'll be able to interchange. The retail version does not have that. So obviously you're going to have to find the retail version for the retail garage door opener motors, the ones that you find at Lowe's, Home Depot, all those other places. And then you need to determine whether if you have the contractor version. Doing this will save you a lot of time and money.
We're going to wrap this one now around the sprocket. All right, real quick party people, there is a great video that my good friend Richard Cornell did from Cornell Garage Doors out over in Austin, Texas. It's about how to retrofit a Chamberlain belt rail or belt assembly. You gotta check it out, it's great stuff. I'm gonna put a link in the description down below so you can take a look at it. Now let's get back into this video.
Now the pro tips that we provided in this video will specifically apply to the LiftMaster, Chamberlain, Craftsman, some Raynor, basically the Chamberlain Corporation garage door opener motors. Genie approaches their belt assemblies very differently. They have a shaft where their C-channel belt assemblies actually attach onto their motors. So replacing those belt assemblies are a little bit more intricate, but quite frankly, what I do in those cases where the belt has gone bad, I simply replace the entire rail assembly because that is a more cost-effective solution for customers. And so, if replacing your belt rail assembly sounds like a party to you, well then please check out the affiliate links down in the description. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a solution for your needs. And of course, the pro tips, techniques, and ideas in these videos should not be considered law or infallible. Why? Because I'm nobody. And, full disclaimer, LiftMaster did not sponsor this video. Chamberlain didn't either. This is just information to help you, the viewer, make a better buying decision. That's going to be it for this one, party people. I want to thank you so much for partying with me and watching this video. Now check out this other video right here that can provide you more pro tips and tech reviews for your residential garage door needs. And as always, y'all stay safe.